From the deepest valleys and most fertile soils comes the heart of luxury. Before a
Rose petals must be harvested just as the sun rises, before the heat evaporates their most precious aromatic
level. Thousands of petals are needed for just a few milliliters of rose absolute. This concentration of raw material is the first.
Jasmine, the undisputed queen of the night, must be captured in darkness. Its fragrance peaks.
Every tiny jasmine flower is collected by hand. The effort invested here defines the quality of the final high-end perfume.
Meanwhile, in distant forests, the base note of many legendary perfumes is secured. Sandalwood, only mature. The dense heartwood, essential for deep, resinous perfume notes, represents months of planning and coordination before it reaches the extraction facility.
Time is the ultimate enemy. The delicate floral payloads must maintain optimal temperature.
The journey begins. From field to factory, the race is on to preserve the volatile, beautiful.
The woody materials follow their own arduous path, sometimes traveling hundreds of miles from remote, sustainably managed forests. Every shipment receives rigorous checks, ensuring that only the purest, highest-grade materials make it into the complex recipe of the perfume. For global distribution, speed is often achieved in the sky. The time between picking and processing must be minimized.
Across continents, the delicate core ingredients fly toward the central production hub, ready for the next stage of their transformation into perfume.
The heavier, less volatile materials, like sandalwood, travel by sea, enduring weeks of transit before reaching.
Every step is meticulously documented. The integrity of the raw materials destined for luxury perfume is non-negotiable.
The final stage of logistics sees the assembled raw materials converging on the ultra-modern facility, where...
Welcome to the heart of the operation. This mega factory is where tons of raw materials transform into ounces of the world's most desired perfume. The woody raw materials are staged separately, awaiting preparation for solvent or steam extraction, crucial for the base notes of the perfume.
Every gram counts. Yield calculation is critical for cost and formula accuracy. Starts here.
The flowers now begin their transformation. Their fragile essence is about to be separated from the plant matter.
But perfume creation is not solely nature. Modern fragrances rely on equally complex.
These concentrated liquid molecules represent years of research, acting as fixatives and intensifiers that define the modern high-performance perfume.
The raw materials have arrived. The journey of scent extraction, refinement.
The dense sandalwood enters the primary extraction unit to release its rich, woody essence.
The steam carries the essential oil molecules, which are cooled and condensed. What separates here is the...
For the most fragile florals like jasmine and rose, solvent extraction creates the absolute.
The resulting waxy concrete is washed again and again in pure ethanol, separating the desired fragrant absolute from the residual waxes. High-speed centrifugal filtration removes any microscopic particulate matter. Only the purest, most transparent essence will become the luxury perfume.
The factory now houses a priceless inventory, the building blocks of hundreds of perfumes, carefully aged.
This formula is the translation of artistic vision into chemical reality. Every element is weighed and
In perfect sequence.
The blend is now mixed gently for hours, allowing the hundreds of different aroma chemicals to begin their delicate interaction and homogenization. To transform the concentrate into wearable perfume, it is diluted with highly purified alcohol. This alcohol acts as... This is the silent waiting game, maturation. The newly blended perfume must age.
This crucial aging process, which can last weeks or even months, ensures the perfume achieves its intended depth and longevity before bottling. Once mature, the perfume is subjected to one final, ultra-fine filtration, guaranteeing flawless clarity and shine.
Before bottling can begin, the finished perfume must pass the most rigorous tests, ensuring chemical conformity and olfactory perfection.
The GCMS analyzes the precise ratio of every single molecule in the perfume, verifying.
Confirmed. Other critical metrics, such as refractive index, are checked. This confirms the optimal dilution ratio and the stability.
Finally, the human nose intervenes. A trained olfactory panel verifies the subjective experience, ensuring the
The vessel is almost as important as the essence. The perfume bottle, a piece of industrial art.
absolute cleanliness is required. Each bottle must be sterile and free of microscopic dust before the priceless perfume liquid enters.
The moment of unification arrives. The liquid perfume and the glass vessel meet on the most complex segment of the production floor.
The filler precisely meters the perfume, stopping at the exact volume required. There is zero tolerance for over or underfilling. Sophisticated optical systems check every bottle. Any deviation from the established fill level is instantly detected and rejected. Once filled, the bottle is sealed. This crimp ensures an airtight environment, preserving the perfume's delicate composition for years to come. The final aesthetic touch, the signature cap, often custom designed, completes the physical identity of the perfume.
The last defense against imperfection, automated visual QC. Robots scan the bottle, the label, and the cap for
The critical batch code is etched into every bottle, establishing traceability from this moment back to the very field where the raw materials were harvested.
The perfume's identity is now complete, applied flawlessly by machines calibrated to millimeter accuracy.
Now fully realized, the individual perfume bottles prepare for their protective shell, the final, luxurious outer packaging.
The outer packaging must reflect the luxury within. Automated assembly ensures structural integrity. The fragile, valuable glass perfume bottle is protected by a precise foam or cardboard cradle designed to absorb shock during transit.
Cellophane wrapping provides the final hygiene seal and tamper-proofing, ensuring the consumer is the first to open their luxury perfume. Despite intense automation, a final human check validates the aesthetic perfection of the sealed perfume package. The individual boxes are grouped into bulk shipping cases, organized for efficient, high-density transport around the world. The cartons are sealed and prepared for the warehouse. From here, the perfume begins its true global journey. Every carton is tracked with precision, ensuring real-time inventory and delivery accuracy. Robots build stable, transport-ready pallets, maximizing space and preventing damage to the valuable cargo of finished perfume. The wrap stabilizes the pallet, protecting the perfume from dust, moisture, and movement during its long voyages. Inside the climate-controlled smart warehouse, technology takes over logistics. AGVs ensure seamless movement of the finished perfume inventory. Millions of units of perfume are stored here, ready for instantaneous fulfillment across global supply chains. For its major overseas journey, the finished perfume is sealed inside protective containers, prepared to traverse oceans and continents. The final product sets sail, a testament to efficiency and global coordination, bringing the luxury perfume to distant markets.
The fastest route ensures the luxury perfume reaches exclusive retailers quickly, ready for immediate display.
From the colossal factory floor and vast oceans, the journey narrows down to the final miles toward the point of sale.
The physical journey ends here, but the legacy begins. The perfume now sits as an object of desire, ready for its purpose. It represents hundreds of hands, complex machinery, and the finest ingredients nature can offer, all distilled into one coveted bottle.
For the consumer, this is the moment of connection, the culmination of the entire global production chain. The ultimate transformation. The perfume, once an idea, a flower, and a log, is finally experienced as a cloud of luxurious scent. An essence perfected through precision, science, and the epic dedication of a global manufacturing empire. This is the journey of perfume. This is the Essence Empire. The end.